Hello all. Today we are going to see program based on Java Swings. The program is first we have to design a Java Swing GUI application for login functionality as per the sample design given below. See, this is the sample design. It's a basic login portal. It's asking username, password, login button. If we give Karunya as password, it should come login successful. Otherwise, it shows the message login failed. Let's see how we design the program for this particular question login portal. So I'm going opening Eclipse. I'm importing all the syntax, that mean importing all the methods for classes label, uh, for swing everything I'm importing. Then I'm creating class extends jframe implements action listener interface to do the particular actions. Then I'm giving a label, user label, username label, password label, and login label, and reset label. Here within these user and password label, I'm inserting the text fields. Then I'm giving the buttons, login button, reset button, then checkbox, show password checkbox. Then login frame I'm using to give the layout manager location and size, components to container, add action event. Four things we are doing: layout manager, location, size, component to container, action event. So layout manager, I'm setting the layout. Set location, I'm setting the size and location for all the username, password, show password, login and reset. I'm giving the sizes. This is the size. I'm giving area, width, length, and height. Next, I'm adding components. These are the components which I'm adding to the layout window. Username, label, password, and field, and show password option, login button option, reset button checkbox. Then I'm adding action, login action, reset. These three are the actions we're going to perform here. Then action performed is if login button, it should be if the username is this and the password is Karunya, it shows the login successful. That is, it show message dialog box. We use to show the message dialog box, and else it shows login failed if we give other password. So it's setting everything is set, reset button and show password. So finally, we are using main class login. We are setting stateless string application. Visible is true. Bounds are this for total dialog box. Then default close operation. It always exit underscore on underscore class should be the default close operation in Java Swing program. Then set resizable false. We cannot set the resize. So now I'm running this program. Uh, See here, I'm entering URK20CS2120. I'm entering my password as Karunya. Then I'm giving login successful. Here, show password is option is used to show the password. Now I'm entering some other password. For example, I'm entering ESTFD. ESTFD. Now login. See, login is failed because uh, the password is not Karunya. We have used if else condition, so it is not possible. So this is how the program is done. Thank you.